This is everything you need to know to upcycle wardrobe doors. Hi, my name's Kurt. Wardrobe doors can look a bit daggy, but with a lick of paint, you can give them new life. Let's get into it. First, we're going to remove the door because it's easier to work with it on a flat surface. If you're after a detailed look, timber or MDF is the way to go. First measure all sides of the door, then measure your timber. Go ahead and make your cuts. Split up your timber, then position into place. Go ahead and paint the door. Use enamel paints and a roller for a smooth finish that lasts. Once your paint is dry, attach your door handle. All that's left now is to rehang your door. And there you have it, upcycled wardrobe doors. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.